The MB-1000 grinder is an efficient solution for grain processing. A 55 kilowatts motor ensures fast and uniform grinding, while a 7.5 kilowatts pneumatic module transports the material to the cyclone. The hopper dimensions are 870 by 330 millimeters. A special impact liner improves grain processing performance. The replaceable screen allows selection of the desired particle size. Grinding capacity for corn, up to 5 tons per hour. The compact design facilitates installation in production facilities. Structural components ensure stability and compensate for uneven surfaces. Easy to maintain, durable and reliable. Ideal for large farms and industrial use.